And people across the globe took Sunday to spread awareness for a major crisis, mental health. Today is World Mental Health Awareness Day, and while one local doctor says it's great to devote one day to spreading awareness, we still have a long way to go in treating the growing issue. James Grant joins us tonight with that doctor's message.
Cam, Beaumont Dr. Masanthi Levine says stressing a healthy lifestyle, including cutting out drugs and alcohol and getting more sleep, combined with increasing access to mental health care, are our best bets to easing today's mental health crisis.
If it goes unrecognized, it can wreak a lot of havoc on a patient's life, just like untreated cancer, just like untreated diabetes.
Dr. Levine says mental health problems are a real issue in today's world. He says with all the access to information and technology, our brains are overwhelmed by what we see and read, and it's taking its toll.
Just don't think the human brain, human emotions, I just don't think we're ready for all of this access and being affected by all of the information that we do see.
He says it's great to devote one day to focus on mental health around the world, but the crisis deserves more attention and resources than it's had in the past.
We need to, again, increase the access to healthcare professionals. Again, just to be that sounding board for someone who's confused, who's anxious, is tense.
Dr. Levine and others in the Southeast Texas medical community say mental health care can sometimes be hard to find, but there are some mental health services out there. Places like the Spindletop Center in Beaumont and the Medical Center of Southeast Texas's inpatient and outpatient program. Dr. Levine says it's important to increase access to mental health care because many people aren't seeking treatment early on, and their stress and anxiety can lead to long-term mental illnesses.
They tend to make irrational decisions, and we've seen a lot of that on television with just shootings and all of the social media out there with road rage and with all the mask wearing and people just arguing, fighting in public.
Dr. Levine says a lot of times people struggling with their mental health just need someone to talk to, so he encourages you to lend an ear if someone you know is having anxiety or depression.
Let them sit down and decompress and get it out.